Hey everybody, this is another video in my Breeze series, and this one is about the journey mode. Journey mode makes the Breeze travel from the beginning point to the end point and back again, and you can set all that. So here you see on the regular screen, first it tells you about setting the Breeze in a safe position. These are the general things it says before every flight, taking off and setting center so that you always take off about 13 or 15 feet away from yourself, or whatever you set that up as in the default settings. Setting the default starting position, you can use the controller on the top there, the slider, to control where the breeze starts from, and on the bottom the sliders will control the position of the breeze. The trajectory is determined by the way the camera is angled. So if the camera is angled straight down, the breeze will go straight up. If it's at an angle, it'll go at an angle away from you, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. The travel distance is at the bottom. I'm going to demonstrate this in just a minute in some of the videos, but you want to look at that. That's how far away the breeze is going to fly. When you push the start button, it's automatically going to start your camera recording and stop it when it's done. Let's check it out. This first one I'm going to do, you'll notice as I adjust the different sliders here, I'm positioning the breeze so that I get the subject right in the middle where the person is. This is very important. Whenever you're doing any of the modes in the breeze, always have that little person right on the subject. It really makes a big difference, especially in orbit mode. So use that. You can see I'm adjusting the camera on the left, the position on the bottom, and on the very top, that slider, now I'm moving it to the plus so it's going a little further away. When I'm done, I'm going to push the camera mode on the right. I push start, and you'll see that the journey mode starts counting down. Here it goes. It goes out to the very end, which was only about 30 feet, and comes right back. Let's try and set up a longer one this time. So I'm going to slide the travel distance up to, say, like close to 150 feet. When I'm ready, I push the start button on the right. You don't do anything else, you just wait, and the breeze does its thing. I shot this on a super windy day and 4K unstabilized. If you want to see how to get really smooth video with the breeze, check out some of my other videos. This example was just to show how this mode technically works, but when you're really trying to get a shot with this, think about your background, think about what looks good, what you want to get in the scene. Here are a couple other shots I got of the journey mode, just with it in the stabilized mode, and you can see how nice it can look. Hey, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of other breeze videos showing you how to do things with the breeze, and I'm going to be doing some really cool things with it that I think you'll want to see. So thanks for watching.